good?
It is. What's wrong?
No.
What?
Edibles can get coffee.
Dude, that's the prices of the smoke weed. Diamond, and then they put like restricted.
Oh, this one.
There's a pack. I saw a pack. I found a pack. And there's a one. One squid just saw me right on the road. He was like, arrested. He like followed me.
From New Age, their 3.0 series. It's black with stainless steel top. It has a black slat wall with the LED lights. So that's what it looks like. This isn't really leveled, which is why I have the extra tiles underneath here. Obviously it's not perfect, but I just have to figure out something for the bottom because this is just temporary. Here's the Tang tools set up. This one is my favorite drawer. These are all American. Comes with the inserts, all of the tools. Got the TV installed. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Afters, so I put it up real high and I climb on it, but then to go down just takes forever. There's no weight.
I picked up some stuff. I picked up the Snap-on Moto Lift. And let me show you how it operates. It's electrical, it plugs into an outlet. Press this button, and then it lifts up. And it goes up very, very high. Like I'm gonna be very close to hitting the light. All right, so this is it maxed out. So I picked this up from Craigslist, from a Ducati repair shop. And then while I was there, I also picked up this air compressor. It was brand new. They never used it. They were going to use it for a backup if one of theirs went down. But I was able to pick this up for $350. The lift, I think I already said it was $1,200. Yeah. And this is how you lower it. It's this lever right here. That. All right, for organization. I don't know. I just don't like how I did this. But I just wanted to put everything away for now. That's pretty much it. I want to show what's in here because, like I said, I really don't like how I put everything away. But just random stuff, zip ties. Just for my S2000. Random stuff that I don't want to get rid of. Empty. And here I have the bleeder kit and then a Dremel. More random stuff that I didn't want to get rid of. More random tools. Random tools. Have the camera rolling. I am gonna unbox some of the bike parts that I got from Partzilla. My R7, it's kind of clapped right now. So, got some parts for that bike. Okay, that's really weird. That's so weird. I thought I ordered 4 of these plastic fasteners, but they only sent me 1. So hopefully it's in the box. So I'm gonna be really pissed off if that's the case. So I needed this, which is an R7 stay. And so last time I crashed my bike, the front end got really messed up. So these tabs are bent in, and so I got a new stay because I picked up a fairing sponsor, and I want to redo my whole bike. So got that. Oh, okay, so those rivets are actually in here. It's all in separate packaging now. So I got 2 more. That's 3. 4. I got a new brake lever. It's actually funny. I already broke 2 of these, so this is my 3rd one. I got this part for the stay. It's a little rubber mount for the mirror. And then I got 4 of these little washers, clear washers. Oh, and 4 of these the headlight fairing. And that's it. Got it from Amazon. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was, but it will do. It'll make do. I got 2 of that. Just in this box. I need to put it together. I got another full rear stand. And then it's my tire change. I got some ratchet straps. I need to take this out, but this is going to be an organizer for like loose bolts and washers and stuff. I got this to go above the sink, but what else? It's pretty much everything that I got for now. Still some more things that I wanted to get, but I'll record that once it comes.